Welcome to Impression Moxché by Secrets, where every awe-inspiring detail is designed to impress. My name is Jackie, and I'm a certified travel advisor from Canada. Indulge in the luxury of space with expansive modern suites and an abundance of stunning infinity pools. Relinquish all worries with endless privileges, inclusions, and dedicated butler service. Escape to this exclusive luxury resort where privacy abounds, personal needs are anticipated, and the highest level of service is customary. This resort is now part of the World of Hyatt loyalty program. At Prince Adventures, we are a team of luxury travel advisors who have a formula to pair the right all-inclusive hotel with the perfect traveler. This level of service ensures your vacation matches your unique travel style. Reach out today to learn more about Impression Moxché by Secrets and if it would be a good fit for you and your travel party. One thing we especially loved at this resort were the rooftop spaces. For lounging poolside at the infinity pool overlooking the sea, or having breakfast savoring a morning espresso. Imagine your rooftop wedding at this beautiful 5-star, adults-only resort in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. We can support your planning with our group travel experts. Email us today, travel@princeadventures.com, to get started planning your next vacation. The inclusions at Secret Impression Moxché in Playa del Carmen are wonderful. Endless Privileges is your luxury inclusions. They're committed to reimagining the all-inclusive experience, being intimate, personal, and centered around you. Cultivate the moments that matter most, where everything is included and it's complimentary for your entire stay. Enjoy a welcome bottle of tequila or rum and sparkling wine with fresh fruit upon arrival. Fully unwind with twice daily refreshed in-suite minibar, 24-hour concierge service, 24-hour private in-suite dining, maid service 3 times a day, luxurious bath amenities and expansive bathrooms, and laundry services are complimentary.